Crystal Crafts with Dee. I have an unboxing to do for you today. This one is from NewCraftDay. So they sent me an email and asked me if I would like to review some of their products for them, and I said of course, because they're a very good company to deal with and they have a great variety of products on their website. So I've chosen a nice little selection of goodies to show you today. So it comes in your standard plastic bag. I've just cut this just so I'm not struggling on camera. Whoops. Thanks everybody. So I got some interesting stuff. I have a diamond painting pen. I have a diamond painting. Diamond painting. And I have this. So we'll start with this one because I'm quite intrigued. So this here is a hanging 3-pocket storage thing. They have several different designs on their website, and I just thought this was so cute. I haven't done anything like this before. So a nice protective bag, and I chose the birds because I thought this was so cute. So we're okay. Right, so we've got some dowel to hang it up with. We've got a packet of drills, etc. And we've got, oh my god, that is so adorable. Oh gosh, I like that. So you got 3 pockets, 1, 2, and 3, and I'll show you in detail a bit closer. Oh wow, that actually has good sized pockets. Ooh, I like that. So it's got, the edges are hemmed. I'm not sure what kind of fabric it is. It's if it got dirty or you got something on it, you can wipe it off. Like it's sort of some sort of fabricy sort of stuff, but it's quite stiff. Your dowel would go in here. Okay. Ow. Like that. Oh, that is so cute. That's okay, it's just my dog. So that looks awesome. Do you have to do that here? Sorry. Yeah, 3 pockets. Okay, concentrate. Alright, so on their website it says 3-pocket storage. Oxford cloth is the fabric that they say that is, and the measurements are 200 by 500 by 10 millimeters. So yeah, so it'd be about 50 centimeters high and 20 centimeters wide. Your pockets go out about 10 centimeters, so that's actually a really good size. Oh gosh, I really love that. I want to get another one. I'll zoom you in so you can have a look at that drill field. Now, I believe it is special drill. Yes, special drill. So there's pocket number 1. Isn't that just gorgeous? And that print is really clear. That is beautiful. And the second pocket, absolutely gorgeous. And the third pocket, oh, I love that. That is absolutely gorgeous. So with your packet of drills, packet number 1 is you drill symbol number 1, packet number 2, you drill symbol number 2, etc., etc. That's how they work that out. Oh wow, I have just loved that. Alright, I'll zoom you back out again. And I'm just going to sort of peel some of this plastic back. If I can. It's really sticky. I'm just feeling around the edges. There's no overhang of stick. No stickiness outside of those symbols. So that is just, oh wow, I love that. Alright, we'll have a look at those drills. So this is the little packet came with. So the ribbon, you Sorry. Ribbon you tie around the dowel to hang it up. It's a nice, actually good length of ribbon. You've got your standard toolkit, one placer, diamond painting pen, wax, and a boat. And your drills. Yeah, special drill. Couldn't remember. Alright. So you've got your drills nicely packaged, and you've got these little guys here. Wow, they're tiny. They look like they're just, yeah, they're just black marquees, really tiny ones for symbol C and symbol D. Oh golly, they are teeny tiny teardrops. My least favorite drill of all time. Effective, but tricky little things to put on there. And they're black. Wow. Hey, I wonder if they're the beaks. Oh, look. Where's it? C and D? Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's cool. So the teeny tiny teardrops are their beaks. That's impressive. And the C, the bigger marquees, are his eyeballs. I think that's it on his eyeballs. Yeah. Okay. So those ones. Oh, putting everything. Okay, and your drills. So on the front there, it has like symbol 1. That's 1 is symbol 1, 2 is symbol 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different drills. So you've got some beautiful yellows and some larger yellow rounds. Backs look really good on those. I don't see any scratching yet. Gorgeous blue. Gorgeous light green. Very pretty pink. Darker green. Gorgeous aqua color. That is so pretty. And look at the backs of those drills. They look really, really good. I don't see any scratching so far. Some lovely pale, like a champagne color. Real clear and black. Really, really nice. Put them over there. Yeah, so how gorgeous is that? Gosh, I love that. Beautiful. Yeah, and they had several different designs that you could choose from. They're really, really cute. I wasn't really sure what I was going for, and then I thought, no, I'm going to go for birds because my son and I, we absolutely love birds, and we get around there and try to identify our local birds all the time, so that's perfect. Anyway, so moving right along. I might show you this one because I'm going to drop it and I won't be able to find it. So I've got a new diamond painting pen. And this one looks really interesting. So they've got, I think, 3 different colors. Pink, purple, and blue. I got the pink, and it's a swirly, whirly diamond painting pen. How cool is that? That is so awesome. So it goes thicker here, and then it thins out to the end. I like how it's longer like that. I don't like the short, stumpy ones. And they come with a little container of wax. And the color matches your diamond painting pen, so it's a screw top container. And you've got 3 little waxes in there. That's cool. I love the little container. Isn't that gorgeous? Like when you're done with that container, you can use it to make your own lip gloss or something. Yeah, so you've got 3 little guys in this, and this wasn't very expensive at all, actually. Little screw top. Cool. And a little pen. So, oh gosh, I really love that. That's really cool. Oh, it just pulled. Oh, no, that's right. It's got the grooves for a screw top. Okay. Well, that's cool. I like it when the diamond painting pens have a cap. I really like that. It stops your wax from drying out. I just like that. And not only that, it stops the wax from picking up like bits and pieces if it's not protected. So that's a little bit loose there, but I don't think that's an issue. So you do have a metal nib on there. It's got like little gems in there. That's cool. Oh, I love that. That is awesome. So I've got a couple of whip and chats that will be coming up, and I will use this diamond painting pen and see how it goes. So it's a good chance to try it out, but I like that. Oh yeah, it just sits on there. Oh, get off the tripod. That's cool. Oh, I like that. It's like mesmerizing. So that's pretty cool. And last but not least, I have a diamond painting project. So this is a bookmark project. So you get your standard toolkit. Whoop. And this pack has two bookmarks. So you've got your drills, your bookmarks, and your tassels. So I will move them over there. Now they had a few different designs of this one, and I chose the butterflies because I thought they were so pretty. And special drill as well. But yeah, special drill. I just love that. I thought it was so gorgeous. Beautiful butterflies. And this is quite thin. It's like a leather look, sort of vinyl texture. Doesn't bend too easily actually. And it's got your clear cover, and then you just peel it back and drill away. That's, wow, really sticky. Yeah, and it's the stickies only on those symbols, which is really good. So that looks lovely. And that drill field's nice and easy to see. No trouble with that. That's one, and this is the second one. And how pretty is that going to look with the special drill rhinestones on there? Oops, sorry. It's a bit glary. I just thought they were so lovely. And they got quite a few different designs to choose from. But yeah, no issues at all looking at those symbols. And they're both punched, hole punched on the top. And that is for you to put the tassels on each one. So I will, let's see if I can get this off, and I'll show it to you up close. Can I get it off now? That's all right. I'll scissors. Yeah, I want to show you these tassels because they're just so cool. So that's a tassel there, and it's got like a little wooden bead on the top. Wooden resin, maybe. And you got this resin flower on the top. It's a flat back. No, it's not. Oh, my other one's flat. This one's double-sided. Again with your bead, and then you got this beautiful tassel. So lovely. How gorgeous is that? And you got two, one for each one. So that is so pretty. All right, let's have a look at those drills. So how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 colors, or 13 drills. And as with the other one, you've got number 1 is number 1, number 2 that indicates your symbol number, and then if you go along here, you've got A and B, so that is your symbol number. Too easy. Oh, wowie. Oh my gosh, look at those drills. Oh, wow. They're so colorful. They're like metallic, kind of. Like a rainbow metallic. Wow. I don't know if that's coming up on camera, but they are absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. We got some blue, some purple, pretty pink, green, yellow, some clear, some really beautiful soft pink marquees. Some of the, oh, wow, those clear marquees there have that AB, the same as those other little ones. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Some frosted teardrops. More frosted teardrops, AB. Pretty champagne colored teardrops. And I'm loving these drills. These are so pretty. They've got a little flower design in the middle. I love that. Very, very pretty drills. Very shiny. And they look really good on the backs. They look really, really good quality. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over these drills. Wow. So, bookmarks. So I have a few bookmarks now. And I've mentioned this in other videos, and I'll mention it again. When I do my bookmarks, I do not use them as a bookmark. I find they're too thick. Once you get drills on them, they're just a bit too thick to sit in between the pages of your book, for me anyway. And they're so pretty. Like, I want to have them out on display. So what I do is I use that little hole there and I hang them up. So I actually drill it and then I seal it. And then because it's going to be out on display and dust and all that sort of thing, that's why I seal it. And I just hang it up on the wall like that. And they're so pretty, and they're an unusual size, and and they're glittery and shiny, and they look really pretty. So I usually put them in those little spaces where, you know how you've got like in between your door frames and you've got like a wall section that's about that wide. I like putting 1, 2, 3 of these guys, hang them up there, and they look really cool instead of having them hiding away in books, because these are so pretty. That's what I do with them anyway. And sometimes if I really like the tassel, which I really like that, I will punch a hole in the bottom and hang the tassel from there. But usually I don't hang the tassels on. But aren't they gorgeous? Oh wow, I'm just stunned. They're so pretty. Okay, so I have a pack of 2 bookmarks. I have oh, here it is. My gorgeous pen and wax set, and I have my absolutely stunning 3-pocket organizer that I'm going to hang on the wall when I'm done. So 3 really different things in my unboxing today. I'd like to thank NewCraftDay for sending these out to me. Absolutely love this. I have links for all these in the description box below. If you haven't checked out the website, jump on there and have a bit of a sticky beak, because they have a very large range of all sorts of crafty bits and pieces and really good prices. So thanks again to NewCraftDay. So there you go. That's my latest. I will be showing you in a couple of videos further on down the track, works in progress right through to the review, so you can see how these guys turned out and if I had any issues. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!